From tortoise to hare, the need for speed in 3D printing. Early 3D printers were slow, like really slow. We're talking hours for a simple object. Imagine waiting a whole day for a prototype. But things have changed. Modern 3D printers are now blazing fast. This speed revolution is transforming industries. Rapid prototyping is now a reality. We can create complex designs in hours, not days. This speed comes from advancements in several key areas. Let's dive in and explore these factors, shall we? A rock-solid foundation is essential for any structure, and 3D printers are no exception. Frame rigidity and print speed are closely linked. Imagine building a house on sand. It wouldn't be very stable, right? The same principle applies to 3D printing. A wobbly frame means shaky prints, leading to poor quality and inaccuracies. That's where frame rigidity comes in. A strong, rigid frame is crucial for speed and precision. It ensures that the printer can handle high-speed movements without losing its accuracy. It minimizes vibrations and allows for faster movements. This stability is key to achieving high-quality prints at faster speeds. Think of it like a race car's chassis. The stiffer the chassis, the faster the car can corner. Similarly, a rigid 3D printer frame allows for rapid acceleration and deceleration of the print head. This results in shorter print times without sacrificing accuracy. The print head can move quickly and precisely, ensuring that each layer is laid down exactly where it needs to be. In the end, a rigid frame not only speeds up the printing process, but also enhances the overall quality of the prints. This is why frame rigidity is a critical factor in the design and performance of high-speed 3D printers. Extrusion on overdrive. Imagine your 3D printer working at lightning speed, churning out prints faster than ever before. High-volume extruders for faster prints. These advanced components are designed to handle larger amounts of filament, allowing for quicker production times. Now let's talk about extruders. These are the parts that melt and deposit the plastic filament. They are the heart of your 3D printer, ensuring that the material flows smoothly and consistently. Traditional extruders were like drinking a milkshake through a straw, slow and steady. They got the job done, but it took time and patience. But high-volume extruders are like pouring from a pitcher. They can push out much more material in the same amount of time. This efficiency translates to faster print times and the ability to handle larger projects with ease. This means faster infill and thicker layers without sacrificing print quality. You can achieve robust and durable prints in a fraction of the time it used to take. It's like comparing a garden hose to a fire hose. Both can water your lawn, but the fire hose gets the job done much faster. Similarly, high-volume extruders revolutionize the speed and efficiency of 3D printing, making them a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Section 4. The need for Speed Core XY kinematics and print speed. Ever watched a CNC machine in action? These machines are marvels of modern engineering. They move with incredible speed and precision, cutting through materials with ease and accuracy. That's because of their advanced motion system, and some 3D printers use a similar system called Core XY kinematics. In a nutshell, Core XY uses two motors to control the movement of the print head. This design is both efficient and effective. This allows for faster movement and acceleration, especially on diagonal lines. The result is quicker print times without sacrificing quality. Think of it like a game of chess. The strategic movement is key. A knight can move 2 squares in one direction and 1 square perpendicularly. This unique movement allows it to cover the board efficiently. Core XY allows the print head to make similar moves, covering more ground quickly. This means more efficient printing and less time waiting for your projects to complete. Section 5, a revolution in the making, 3D printing's impact on industries. So, why is all this speed so important? Because it's changing the game. Faster 3D printing means faster prototyping. Designers can iterate on ideas quickly and bring products to market faster. This is huge for industries like aerospace, automotive, and healthcare. We're talking about lighter aircraft components, custom medical implants, and even personalized prosthetics. The possibilities are limitless. Speed isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking new levels of innovation and creativity. And that's something worth getting excited about.